Hi, and welcome back to Park Superior Sales. My name is Jordan, and today we're taking a look at this beautiful 2019 Lincoln MKT MK Coach Legacy Hearse. Really nice color we have here. This is a thunder gray colorway that you're going to see here with an off-white pinstripe running all along the vehicle. Super nice, really nice vehicle to stand out from your competition in your local area. Up front, let's start with some of the features and options that come equipped with this vehicle. Four-way clear strobes integrated to your front grille for your high visibility on that service day. And we move back a bit, you do have a set of 18-inch OEM Lincoln polished wheels here, really set off the vehicle in a nice way, really brings out that thunder gray. You've got your drip rail running all along here, along with your full vinyl black tuxedo top here, which really stands out really well with this color, as you can see. Really sweet, really nice. But we'll move into the door number 2 here. You do got your black door card here with your Legacy embroidery, chrome nameplate brackets, and some nice off-white drapes, as you can see here. Really nice. As you can see, we got a Black Canyon casket flooring here with one stationary beer pin up front, and you've got a black partition wall here. This vehicle is all-wheel drive, so great for those winter months, or if you're in the New England area, it's a great vehicle that you could use year-round for your funeral home. Closed church truck well with a flip-up lid giving you that versatility to stand the church truck up or lie it down and slide it away if you so wish. But as you can see up front, you do got a stainless steel umbrella tray to store your umbrellas, especially on a rainy day. It's going to collect all those water droplets and not create any musky or moldy smells. Really nice. MK Coach integrated a nice step pad here, so when you're exiting or entering that church truck into this vehicle, you're not going to do any damage to the inner door sill here. It's going to preserve the inner door sill over the lifetime you own the coach. It's just something to keep in mind. We'll shut that door. Moving on back, you got your coach light and you've got your iconic MK flowing Landau bars here, which is really, really nice. And we'll move around to the rear load door. Open this right on up. As you can see, that's going to be greeted with a nice black accented rear load door. You got your load door nameplate brackets here as well to advertise your funeral home. Some nice light drapes here. As you can see, Black Canyon casket flooring all in the rear here. Super nice, as you can see. You do got a ton of lighting fixtures in the rear here. LED lighting fixtures on the right and left hand side for some panel fixturing. And you do got 8 LED lights all along the roof headliner to give you a really nice glow to this casket compartment, especially on your service day. Something to mention with this vehicle in particular, you can see how clean the wheel boxes is on the left and right hand side, but this vehicle is going to go through our full reconditioning process here at Park, so it's going to go and get touched by the body shop here, the mechanical service shop here. Everything will be brought to almost basically brand new, so when it arrives at your funeral home, it's going to be 100% funeral service ready. But in the rear here, stationary beer pin stored off on the right-hand side. You do got a built-in urn carrier, which is really nice. A little different from what you're maybe used to seeing on our channel here. This is a really cool urn carrier. The stanchions stay right inside here. You can accommodate any size urn, and it's really great with the funeral industry having a rise with cremations. It's a great way to get your coach rolling a few more times a month, especially to accommodate families with these kind of urn services or cremation services. But with a quick flick of a switch here, this folds right back on down into the casket flooring, and you're in beautiful casket floor mode. As you can see, that Black Canyon casket flooring is in immaculate condition, no really rips, tears, or scrapes or anything like that. But you do have your 10 stationary rollers in the rear here, and you do have, if you will, these 90-degree rollers here as well to help you assist that casket when exiting or entering it out of the vehicle. But extremely clean, as you can see in the rear here, and everything like these little cosmetic here that will totally be touched up in our reconditioning process. Just wanted to mention that as we go through this vehicle. If you see any blemishes or anything like that, it's going to be fully taken care of by our reconditioning process here. You do have some load door stainless on the rear here. You do have your rear bumper, rear sensors integrated to the bumper here, and a backup camera as well, which you engage the vehicle in reverse, it's going to come right onto your touchscreen infotainment system. So anyone at your funeral home will be able to drive this coach. But moving around to the driver's side, really nice. You got your coach lamp right here, and you get a nice look into this area. You got a full-size spare tire with a tool and jack kit. To swing up door here, swing up doors, you got your full-size spare matching MKT wheel here. So heaven forbid you had a flat on service day, you're able to switch that out, and families would be none the wiser. So it's a matching wheel, which is really nice to have, full size. Tool and jacket here as well, and you could store any little knickknacks, flyers, or pamphlets that you might have for your services right underneath here as well. But as you can see, that stationary beer pin and that partition wall, really, really nice. And you can see there's some really nice Black Canyon accents from the floor that move along on the door card here and the partition wall, which I really do love. Really brings out this color really well. We'll move around to the driver compartment. Something to mention, this does have a keyless touchpad right here, so if you have ownership of this vehicle, you do have the number that you can punch in and gain access to the vehicle. This does have push button start, remote start, keyless entry, black leather wrap steering wheel, black leather seats. You got a power seats, power telescopic wheel. You got memory seats as well, lane assist, touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, FM, AM, Bluetooth, Sirius satellite radio, all integrated into your touchscreen infotainment system, super responsive. You got your lane assist as well. You got all the little bells and whistles you can want. Volume control, cruise adaptation control on that steering wheel. Above your overhead console here, you have a button you can switch to flick on your 4-way clear strobes. Easily push that and it will turn them off and or put them on. But all the bells and whistles you might need out of a 2019 Lincoln MKT MK Legacy Hearse. If you'd like to get some more information about this particular coach, please give us a call at 1-800-229-5008, or you check out 80+ studio photos, a walk-around video where you can see that urn carrier really dressed up, or this demo that you're viewing right now at www.parksuperior.com. Thanks so much, and we look forward to hearing from you.